Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the service that provided the Google Authenticator key and keeping your account settings visible. On your phone, open the Authenticator app and tap to add a new account. Make sure your device clock is set to automatic so codes sync. If a QR code is available, use scan. If not, choose enter a setup key and type the 16-character code exactly. Do this now so you can generate codes immediately and avoid delays later. Once the key is entered or the QR scanned, label the account in the app so you recognize it later, and the app will create a rolling 6-digit code every 30 seconds. Immediately type the current code into the service's confirmation box to verify setup. This confirms the secret and prevents lockouts. If the service rejects the code, make sure your phone's time is accurate and try again. Re-enter the key if necessary, because tiny typos break the algorithm. Complete the setup by saving any provided backup or recovery codes in a secure place. These are your fallback if you lose the authenticator. Make sure you test sign-in once to confirm everything works, and if you get locked out later, use saved recovery codes or the service's account recovery flow. If codes suddenly fail, the most common fix is to enable automatic time synchronization on your phone, then re-add the account. Only contact support if recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.